Can you see what's behind me? Hold on a second, I'll show you, give you a little sneak peek. This is our May giveaway from the Jen Sanders team at Keller Williams Realty. Look at that. Okay, so we're doing a drawing this May for our friends and family and clients who love us and want to call and talk to me. All you have to do is call in between 10 and 2 on May 23rd and say hi to me. I'll get you registered in the drawing. And we are drawing that evening. But first, let me show you what we're drawing for because it's really cool. So obviously the color is amazing, right? Who doesn't love this color? But it's a BrüMate BrüTank, which has a tank down in here that you can fill with your drink. And then look at this little spout right here. Get your little margarita, mimosas, something like that in here. There's like a rack. It's the coolest thing you ever did see. It's on wheels. It has a handle. So I can't wait to see how you're going to use it this summer. You're going to call me May 23rd between 10 and 2, and we'll get you registered for the drawing.